Hi, I'm Eva, your AI Russian teacher. I was created by Yulia, a professional Russian teacher with years of experience. Grammar books can be boring and confusing, right? Good news, you don't need them to start speaking.
In just 6 minutes, I will show you how to build real Russian sentences. Simple, clear, and grammar-free.
So, stay with me if you want to be able to ask and answer simple questions in Russian, even with zero Russian at this point.
Let's begin. I will guide you step by step. And I have a very good news for you. There are no articles in Russian. There are also no auxiliary verbs in Russian in present tense. To create an affirmative sentence in Russian, we need the word это. Это and a noun. By a noun, we identify any living creatures, places, or things.
Это кот.
This is a cat.
Это собака.
This is a dog.
Это торт.
This is a fancy cake. And to create a negative sentence, we will need the particle не, which means not. Place it before the word you want to negate, and voila, you have a negative sentence in Russian.
Это не собака.
This is not a dog.
Это не кот.
This is not a cat.
Это не торт.
This is not a fancy cake. To ask a question in Russian is very simple. You don't need any grammar rules at all. What a relief, right? If you want to ask a question, just lower the tone of your voice on the word you're asking about. And that's it.
Это кот.
Is this a cat?
Это собака.
Is this a dog?
Это торт.
Is this a fancy cake? Это ресторан? Да, это ресторан. Is this a restaurant? Yes, this is a restaurant. Это ресторан? Нет, это не ресторан. Это кафе.
Is this a restaurant? No, this is not a restaurant. It's a cafe.
Now let's learn some question words in Russian. Words like what, who, where, how, and when. With just these, you can start building your own simple Russian dialogues right after this lesson. Ready? Let's go. By the way, if this lesson helped even a tiny bit, go ahead and like it. And if you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Yes, I see you. Do it now before you forget. Что? What? Что это? What is this? Что это? Это дом. What is this? This is a house. Что это? Это машина. What is this? This is a car. Кто? Who? Кто это? Who is this? Кто это? Это врач. Who is this? This is a doctor. Кто это? Это папа. Who is this? This is a dad. Где? Where? Где это? Where is it? Где это? Это тут. Where is it? It's here. Где тут метро? Метро там. Where is the subway here? The subway is over there. Где тут магазин? Магазин там. Where is a store here? A store is over there. Как? How? Как это? How is it?
Как дела? Нормально. How are you? I'm fine.
In Russian, как дела means how are things or how's life, but unlike in English, you don't ask it to just anyone. You usually say it to friends, family, or people you know well. It's a real question, not just polite small talk. So if you ask как дела, be ready. The person might really tell you everything. How they feel, what's happening in their life, even personal problems. If you don't really want to know, it's better not to ask. Как ты?
Хорошо. How are you? I'm fine.
In this question, we're asking how the person is feeling, physically or emotionally. That's the difference between the questions как дела and как ты. Как погода?
Холодно.
How is the weather? It's cold. Когда? When? Когда это? When is it? Когда? Экзамен.
Завтра. Утром.
When is the exam?
Tomorrow morning.
Когда? Вечеринка.
Сегодня вечером.
When is the party?
Tonight. So now you've seen, you really can start speaking Russian without learning complicated grammar rules. Just follow the patterns, repeat, and have fun with it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hey, leave a comment. Tell me your first Russian sentence. See you in the next lesson.